What's up? Today I'm going to install a light on the bike. It should sit underneath the seat, go all the way around, and should look good at night. You can see here I came off on my last ride and did a few scratches in the plastic, so clean that up a little bit. I've installed this switch. It has 3 prongs: power in, power out, and earth. You can see when the power is on, the light is on, and when the power is off, the light's off. Let's get into it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
Pretty easy. It comes with tape, so it all sticks down nice. Hopefully it fits with the seat. I'll throw the seat back on and we'll have a look. There you go, look at that. That looks sick. Hopefully it's not too bright on the road. It probably is super illegal. For off-road use only. I think it looks good. I'll wait till it gets dark and then we'll take this out for a little ride and see what they look like at night. As you can see, I've chucked the EBMX decals. Had them lying around, so I thought I'd throw them on anyway. And I'll show you this light. It is bright. Not too bright. It's mad bright. Looks sick though. I reckon it'll look good while riding along. Let me know what you think. Alright, that's going to wrap up today's video. Nice short sweet one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.